You were working earlier, or you did only once you done with the masters, you are joining here?
Currently, I'm working here,
Okay, as a
warehouse management consultant.
okay, got it. Like you are in US.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay. So how many years of experience you are having?
Currently, I'm holding like 3 years of experience, 2 years in India and 1 year in US.
Okay.
But
Okay.
like in WMS, there's full of stress and
Right,
there's
right,
no
right.
time.
I know.
Yeah.
Like I got some friends are students and friends are there who are working earlier on that, and they're more into
Okay.
network. Yeah, but you need to like apart from the training, what you need to do is try to find a consultancy, a good consultancy, where they can market
Okay.
your resume.
Okay.
Okay, if you require anything, let me know. So okay, I have some
Sure.
friends are there and students are there who are doing
Sure.
marketing their resumes, so I can help you on that. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, good to know. Yeah, so yeah, Swapna or Fayaz. Yeah, anyone? Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Good evening, sir. I'm Swapna. I'm currently a BTech final year student from
Okay,
ECE background. I have
okay,
very passionate about networking, so I choose the domain of the networking.
okay. So already you are having networking basics on your EC, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, OSM model, what is uh, the routing protocols, a few, like the basics will be there, IP testing and all, correct? Okay, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Then you have idea, so any idea on the programming?
Uh, Not much, sir. Okay, little bit of knowledge.
Okay, which program? Which one exactly? Is it C language or
Normally,
Python or Java? Which one?
C and Python, sir.
Okay, good. So try to get more knowledge on the Python. So just go with how to install the libraries and how we need to use Python for automation. Just only go with that. Don't go with the full stack Python or anything. Just go with that. Then it will be more helpful. Uh, if you want to plan for automation, network automation, or if you want to plan, like if you want to settle down in US or somewhere else, then it will be more helpful for you. Or in some of the companies in India also, they are looking for the automation engineers. Okay, it will be more
Okay,
helpful.
okay,
Okay,
okay, sir. I will read about it, sir.
okay, good. Yeah. So networking with Python is the best combination nowadays.
Okay, sir. I will read.
Yeah. Okay. And Faizan, sorry, and Supriya.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Supriya. Yeah. Good evening.
I'm Sophia. I'm I'm studying engineering and background ECE. I'm still undergraduate.
Your voice is breaking. Maybe you are on mobile data or something.
Yeah, I think signal with sir.
Okay. So okay, you are also from EC background, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to know that. Then you will have some topics will be very easy for you, which is OSM model, LAN, WAN, MAN, and
Yeah.
IP testing, something which will be easy. So if you concentrate more, then you will get the best. And as I told you the earlier for Swapna also, try to get more
Yes, sir.
knowledge on Python as well. Even
Okay.
if you want, or else stick to networking and then go to cybersecurity or security, which is network security. Then the field will be good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Faizan. Hi, Venkata. Okay. So what exactly we do here on the networking is, let me share my screen first. Okay, so in this first we learned about the basics of networking. So which is LAN, MAN, and WAN. What is local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network? Once we're done with this, then we go to. But you should know about what is a local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. In case if you are in, if suppose if you take your college or your office, so the branch where you are studying or where you are working is called as a local area network. And then if you are having multiple branches around the world and within Hyderabad, if you are having 2 to 3 branches are there, if you take an example of Infosys, IBM, or Cognizant or TCS, then these companies, I'm taking only few examples, okay? Few companies name examples, but we got many are there. So these companies are having multiple branches within the Hyderabad. So if I need to have a communication between one branch to other branch, then I can say this is called as metropolitan area network. Okay. And then if I need to have a communication between one branch to other branch, which are in different geographical area, like if you go with one is in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, US, Australia, then we need to go with which is called as a wide area network. Then we start with the basics. Then how exactly we need to approach and how exactly we need to work on this, we'll try to understand. And we'll do everything with the practical and theory. Because we need to learn if you take a BTech or degree or anything, we just by heart the concept. We don't understand the concept and we by heart and we write the exams. But once you are outside of the college, then if you are doing the same thing, if it is a Java or Python or networking, the one which you read in your college, again it will be like a fresh start. Correct? But what exactly we are doing here is we are going with the theory as well as practical oriented. Means we need to learn everything with the practical. If you learn theory, then one or the other day we'll forget, right? But what exactly we are doing here is we are trying to teach you everything on practical based, so that after 1 year or 2 years or 3 years also you never forgot the concepts. Correct? Is it clear? So this is what exactly we do. 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry guys. Sorry. So like we are going with the land, man, van initially, and then we go with the most important concept. The people who have done their ECE, they know about it. Or the people who knows, which is OSI model, open system interconnect. Then what is exactly open system interconnect? So whenever I need to have a communication between one device to other device, one PC to other PC, if I want to send a message, hi Abhilash, how are you? I want to send a message to Abhilash. Then when I'm sending a text message, Abhilash is able to receive the text message, but how exactly is he able to receive it? Because the data what you are sending from phone to phone, it does not go in a text way, like in a text message only, right? It will be converted. Like if suppose if I take hi, how are you? The data which I'm sending a text message, and Abhilash is also receiving the same text message. Abhilash is also receiving same text message. So this is, I can say, from. I can say this is to. From and to I'm sending same data. Okay, so from my laptop or from my phone, I'm sending a hi, how are you message, and he's able to receive the same message, the same context. But how it is possible? Because we are not able to see the data through air or anywhere, we can't be able to see the data. But how exactly data is going? So it uses OSI model. Whenever you want to send any data, we are using an application, right? If I want to send, if I want to, now we are having a demo class for networking. So in the demo class, if I need to communicate with you, I need to have an interface. That interface is called as, I can say that interface is called as WebEx meeting or Zoom meeting or GoTo meeting or Google Meet. Something or the other meeting we should have. Correct? Without meeting invite, can I be able to join on a random invite? Is it possible? Is it possible, guys? Hello? Guys, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So when I'm sending any data, it is sending on the same text format. But how it is possible exactly? How it is going? So whenever I want to use, I need to use an application. WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, something or the other application I'm using. With the help of that application, I'm sending a data. Okay, I opened an application, I texted this, and the destination was able to receive. So I'm sending a text message. This text message is received by the destination, but how is able to receive it? In the same format, which comes under OSI model again, which is called as presentation layer. In the presentation layer, it will define the standard format to the data. It will define standard format to the data. So then what is exactly standard format? It can be audio format, video format, text format, any format you can. You can take any format. 1 second, guys, again. Sorry. Hello? Google Cloud. Okay, so whenever I'm sending any data, it goes from text message to text message. But how exactly standard will be there, which is used on presentation layer. Presentation layer uses standard format to the data what you are sending, and it uses mainly encoding and decoding. Encoding and I guess you heard about this encoding and decoding. Have you heard about this? Anyone encoding and decoding? Maybe you have seen in movies.
Encrypted.
Anyone? Encryption is other format. It's good, but encryption is also other format. Converting any form of data into binary. Like in movies, Matrix movie or any other movie, when you see the people who are working as a hackers, they can see a black screen. In that black screen from the top down, the zeros and ones will be fall down. Correct? Have you seen that? Anyone? Zeros and ones. Correct? So those are called as binary. Those are called as binary. Means the data what you are sending everything will be converted into binary. The data what you are sending, everything will be converted into binary. Is it clear? And then once the data is converted into binary, it goes to the destination. It goes to Abhilash phone. So then in the Abhilash phone, again it will be decoded. From my side it is encoded and your side it will be decoded. Is it clear? So this is what exactly happens. But hackers in the world were able to hack binary language also, right? So they can in movies or in the if you take any movie or if you take any web series or anything, so the people the hackers will try to tell that I'm decoding the data. What kind of data they can decode? When they receive any binary format, which is zeros and ones, they can easily decode it. Then where is my security? Then what they are doing is they are doing encryption and decryption, the one which you told, which is the data what I have done, encryption and decryption. Encryption and decryption. Then what is encryption and decryption? The data which is encoded, again it will be encrypted. Then my data is more secure. But how exactly data will be encrypted? And where exactly we use? Are we using in any application? Encryption any application which are using encryption?
WhatsApp.
Sorry?
WhatsApp.
Yes, WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, we are using end-to-end encryption, right? Then what is the meaning of end-to-end encryption? End-to-end means one end to another end, means one device WhatsApp to other device. Means if I'm trying to send a message to Abhilash, then from my WhatsApp chat to his WhatsApp chat, only our chat will be encrypted. Same way, from his chat to his brother's chat or his friend's chat, someone or the other it will be encrypted. But is this really encrypted? Maybe it is encrypted, but still we got some hackers are there. They can be able to hack your network easily. Correct? So nothing is secure in this world. You can finger everything. Correct? We should be more careful. Right? Yeah. So encryption and decryption is one of the method to encrypt the data, and then these are the things which will work on presentation layer. Then we are going with the transport layer, network layer. If suppose if you want to go from one place to other place, now I'm in high-tech city. So I want to go to something like LB Nagar. From high-tech city, I want to go to LB Nagar. Then I can have multiple paths are there, multiple routes. Then among these routes, what is the best path to reach the destination? What is the best path to reach the destination? So I have first best path, second best path, third best path, fourth best path. But among all these, what is the first best path to reach the destination? Which will be decided by again OSM model. Means what are the things which we are using daily? Everything will be done by using OSM model. Is it clear? The routine life, what we are using, everything is under OSM model only. And we learned about anyway you learned about concepts and everything. But what are the things which you need to learn here is what are the jobs which you will get? How can I fit to the industry? Like anyone who has about 2 years of experience, or anyone is there who done their master's or degree or something or the other before 2022 or before 2020? Anyone? Or if everyone is fresher, if everyone here is fresher, I'm applying as a fresher, I'm applying as 1 year experience is also fine. You don't worry about it. If it is a 2 years also, it is good. So if you are applying below 2 years of experience, then what are the roles which may get? So the roles will be depends on the company purely. The first role will be network administrator or network engineer or network analyst. The first role, L1 engineer, is called as network engineer or network analyst or network administrator. Then what are the roles and responsibilities will be there for a L1 engineer? So the L1 engineer will work as monitoring. Depends on company again. If suppose in the worst case scenario, you got a job in a big MNC. I don't want you to get a job in a big MNC initially. Why? Because if you get a job in big MNC companies, you are like a machine. You will not get more knowledge. That's for sure. Why? Because The person who is working on TCS, Infosys, IBM, all these companies, they need to work only on one technology. But networking is vast. Once you, if suppose if I got it, I have applied as a fresher in one of the big MNC company and I got a job with a package of 5 lakhs. I'm happy with my salary. But after 3 years, you got 6 lakhs or you got 10 lakhs of package after 3 years. But still, you are working as L1 engineer or L2 engineer. And you are working only on routing and switching. But the people who came from other companies, which are small scale companies or medium scale companies, they will have more knowledge than you. Initially, you are very happy because you are getting the best job and best salary. But the person who is getting monthly 15,000 or 10,000 initially, for first 1 year, he is getting a 15,000 of salary. And then he moved to next company, he got 3 lakhs. And then he moved to next company, he got 35,000 or 40,000 per month. And what he has learned and what you did not learn. You are working from same TCS company or IBM company from last 3 to 4 years or 5 years down the line. But in these 5 years, he changed multiple companies with a different knowledge. He learned routing, switching, he learned security, he learned voice, he learned wireless, he learned automation, he learned SD-WAN, everything he learned within 5 years. But still, you got stuck up in the same company where you are doing only on routing and switching. Now you both guys are applying for the same company, something like ABC. The company name is ABC. Then he is having less salary, something like 6 lakhs of package for 5 years of industry. And then you are having 10 lakhs of package with only routing and switching. Your salary is good, but the problem is you are lacking behind on the knowledge. But the guy who is having multiple skills, with 6 lakhs package, he will get a job, right? Because they will compare both of you. So this guy is having multiple skills with a less salary, and this guy is having good salary, but knowledge is only 10%. This way you can take. Or the guy who is working on multiple companies is having 15 lakhs of package, but he is having more skills. And you are having same skills, which is routing and switching, with a package of 10 lakhs. He is having 15 lakhs and you are having 10 lakhs. Again, in this also they will compare. Okay, salary is not a problem for them. The HRs or company, salary is not a problem for them. Now, TCS is having n number of openings are there. HCL Tech is having n number of openings are there. But they are not bothering about the salary. They want to give you 40 lakhs also. If you got experience of 5 years or 6 years, above 6 years. But the problem is lacking behind the knowledge. I got a guy who has attended TCS yesterday. He is working on same company. This is a live example which I am telling you. He worked on same company for 5 years. I don't want to take the company name. He's having only routing and switching knowledge. And one of my students has attended. He is earlier working on very small scale company, and now he joined into a third party company, a payroll of a different company. He is having knowledge on all the things, and he's getting around 9 lakhs or 10 lakhs, and the other guy is having 10 lakhs, same salary. But the problem which they found is the guy who is having good experience, but on the same stream, did not got a job. He was failed in the interview. But the guy who worked on multiple technologies, he got a job. It means we should be learned everything, not only routing and switching. So because of that, what we have decided in this course is, like if you go to any other institute, they designed routing, CCNA, Windows, Linux, and cloud. But what we learned in that? Windows is a different stream, Linux is a different stream, networking is a different stream. Then you can't be able to cope up in any of the stream. But what we have designed is we are focusing only on one thing, which is networking, CCNA, CCNP, and firewalls. With this, what exactly you can learn is you can be a master once you are out from this institute, but terms and conditions apply. What are the terms and conditions? When you buy anything, you will have terms and conditions, right? Same way, we are also putting terms and conditions. The terms and conditions are attendance has to be there, compulsory, and then the most importantly, practice. And you should perform well in the interviews, what we kept, internal interviews and internal exams will be there. We'll give you tasks for every weekly task, or we'll have separate exams also will be there. In those things, if you perform very well, I'm the guy who will be very happy. Okay, 100% I will help you. Okay, and then I'll give you more tasks. If you are asking me more questions, I'll give you more. Is it clear? So that is the thing. So the management can tell me anything why you are taking much time. But if you ask me many questions, ask me more in depth, I'll take more in depth. Why I want you to ask me more is you are getting more chances to get best job. Is it clear? So that is what my goal is. Everyone who is coming to the class should be 100%. He should go out with the 100% knowledge, with a job. That is our goal. Not okay, we just did a time pass of 1 month or 2 months and then the course is done. Okay, Tata, bye bye, see you. It's not like that. We are having a groups also there, WhatsApp groups. So the management has created a group. Any postings, any jobs which are there, we'll keep those jobs in that posting, and we ask, we are helping you for your English upskilling your English, and then how exactly you need to crack the interviews. Everything we are doing here. Is it clear? It is like your intermediate or it is like your school. We have means we don't think you just don't think that we are doing a spoon feeding, because until you got a job, you should be more careful, because you are our asset. Is it clear? You are our asset. Why? Because if you go out from here with a good job, 100% you will refer 2 to 3 people. Okay, you go to AimNxt Institute, that guy, so that institute is the best for these things, and they provide me the best job. That is our goal. We are not bothering about any other things. We are focusing only on our jobs and the career. Is it clear? Some of the other time will scold you. Why? Because that is your own. That is for your only growth. If you are coming irregular to the classes, then we'll be unhappy, right? So what we are doing is we need to get 100% attendance and 100% everyone should get a job. Okay, we moved from different, but this is the course what we are teaching on CCNA and CCNP. And apart from that, I'm taking the firewalls also. This is a CCNA course and CCNP, everything will be there. And we are going with the routing, switching and firewalls and wireless, everything will be there here. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. But don't think about the job initially. Just think about your knowledge. If you are good in the knowledge, then 100% you will get the best things in your life. Is it clear, guys? Hello? Guys, are you able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any questions? Anything? So this class is purely for your basic understanding on the jobs and how exactly we need to get a job, everything. Okay. So knowledge is very easy to understand, but the thing is, you should know about the career also, right? So what is the career, where you are going? Okay, someone has told me, I'm not interested in I'm not interested in the programming, I came to networking. So everyone will tell you the same thing. But what is the career growth which is there on the networking? You should know about it, right? Yes or no? You can become as L1 engineer, then you can move to L2 engineer, then you can move to L3. Then, no, I don't want technical now. Go to management side, manager. No, still I want to grow only on technical. You can go, you can become a lead, architect, designing, consultant. We got many roles are there. If you take me an example, still I'm on the technical. Why? Because I don't like to be a manager, because I'm very harsh and some people will be good with the management skills, some people will not be good with the management skills. If we take an example of Sachin Tendulkar, he is not good in the captaincy, but he's a good scorer, right? But some people are there who are good in technical, but not in the management. Some people who are good in management role, but not in technical. It really depends on you how you need to choose in future. Is it clear? Yes or no? So I just want you to choose wisely the steps which you are doing, and I will be help you throughout until you are in the networking field. Like I got some students are there before 2 years back or 3 years back or 10 years back also they used to call me some or the other time and they used to ask me some guidance or something or the other. What needs to be done and what I need to do now. So once you got 3 to 4 years of experience, no one is required to help you. You can help others. Correct? Is it clear, everyone? Is it boring? See, no one is responding. It's boring class, right? Hello? Ganesh, Supriya, Raju, Swapna, Abhinash, Abhilash, sorry.
Yes, sir.
It's boring.
Hello. No.
Okay.
There was a connectivity issue. That's it.
Okay. So see, like everything what I'm telling you is for your career growth only, not for time pass or time things. Okay. So try to learn more because one or the other day you will learn for sure. But why not from now? Once the batch is started, come regularly and attend classes. We got a lab faculty is there. He will help you. He will stay from morning to evening. He will help you on all the issues. And don't go to lab faculty all the time. Try to get by you. Try to resolve issues by yourself. In case if it is not resolved by you, then ask your teammates or colleagues, the people who are doing the same class. Don't go to Manish. Why? Because if I got any issue, I can work with the faculty or lab faculty. He can resolve me within fraction of minutes. But if I go to another student, it is a learning for him. Okay, I got this type of issue, then how I need to resolve it. This is called as a troubleshooting. Correct? Then we go with the troubleshooting also here. Everything, what are the things which are doing in the real time, we do it here. And we do your projects also. Every day, initially, except 1 or 2 weeks, remaining all the days, every day is a project for you. Okay? Is it clear, guys? Ganesh, Supriya, Raju, Abhilash, Venkat. No one is responding. Okay. Okay, then. So thanks for your time, everyone. So we'll meet soon. Okay. Happy weekend. Thank you for now. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye. Any other questions, anyone? No questions? Okay then. So we'll wind up this. Bye.